The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty brings you this 2-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch located in desirable Camelot Estates just north of Mountain Home, Arkansas. This subdivision has Mountain Home municipal water service, mature shade trees, large lots, and upscale homes.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty and Mountain Home, and today we are going to show you 36 Cambridge Way in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Let's go inside and take a look. Alright, we came through the back door, which is just right off of the kitchen and the garage. And in the kitchen you have your microwave, electric range oven, you do have a garbage disposal, dishwasher, and refrigerator, and it is nice and open to your large living room. And while we are on this side, let's look at the pantry here. I like how they have these in here so you can put all your spices, and there's plenty of room for all of your snack foods. And just around the corner here we have a 2-car garage. And this is a pretty long garage. You can put a boat in here if you have a truck, car, whatever you need to do. Alright, let's go through here, and you have a nice sized dining room area. You can fit a pretty large table in here, and I like that you have sliding glass doors that opens up to your back patio. So on a nice day like today, you can be out there eating. And from the dining room, you have your front entrance, which we'll go around there in a little bit, and you have nice sized living room area with a wood burning fireplace. And I think you could fit some pretty good sized furniture in here. And once again, it's still open to everything. You can see whoever's cooking. I can tell John to bring me a snack from right here.
Wait a minute. Not there, not there.
Here's my table right here. Well, let's go check out down this way. We have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the laundry area. And both the washer and dryer are staying. I like that you have cabinets above that you can store things out of the way. And in here you have your master bedroom.
Got that nice window out onto the backyard.
Yes.
It's just so pretty out there.
It is. It's nice and shaded. You have double closets in here. Plenty of space. You could actually put some more rods down here and have a section for your pants or for your shirts. And in here you have your private bathroom with a really nice sized stall shower. Let's go check out the guest bathroom just down the hallway. And in here you have a shower tub combo. So if you have children, pets, they can bathe, and it's a nice sized bathroom. And in here you have another nice size bedroom. Since it is 2 bedroom, most of the time the bedrooms are a little bit larger. You have plenty of space in the closet. Once again, you could put rods down here, or if you use this as guest bedroom or storage or even office space. And you still have plenty of privacy just out the window. Lots of mature trees in the yard, beautiful bushes. So let's go outside and take a look. And let's go out the front door so you can see the front of the home. Nice little covered porch here. And this is on a corner lot coming into Camelot Estates subdivision. well-maintained paved roads. Loud trucks. So outside you'll see nice brick and vinyl home, very shaded yard.
This is an extra-sized lot, though, isn't it, Heather?
It is. So
Take us around.
on the other side, we have, if you like gardening, we have a nice raised garden bed over here.
You know, it's a small thing, but there's the fire plug, and that makes a big difference on insurance if that fire plug is
It
sitting
does,
close to your
yeah.
house.
I like that it's not too close, so you don't see it in your front yard, but it's just right there handy.
And if you have a dog, he can still get to it.
So look how big this is.
Wow.
You could do a lot of gardening here.
Wow.
You
That's,
could plant
that's amazing.
flowers, if you like vegetables, whatever you'd like. And then you also have a storage shed on the other side. In the storage shed, you could put all of your gardening tools here. Come on in, John.
Oh my. There's a lot of room in there. Oh.
Pretty good space in here.
I guess this is another extra room to the house.
It is. I would probably put all of my Christmas decorations in here and keep all of my gardening tools right out here.
Excellent. And it's got electric too, I noticed that.
Oh, awesome. Even better. You can make a little workshop out of this.
Yes, definitely. Well, this is a beautiful home, Heather.
It is. It won't last long.
I love this backyard.
I do too, especially whenever it does get warmer. It'll be nice with all of the shade, and you have plenty of room for to put a fence up if you have children or pets and have a little bit more privacy. But even the driveway, you have plenty of parking if you have multiple people in your family or guests coming over. There's plenty of parking for them.
To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks Team. The Ozarks Team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.